Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can mark a product as sold on Craigslist. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar, type in craigslist.org and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Craigslist website. If you haven't logged into your account already, click on the account icon at the top right corner and proceed forward with your credentials. Once you are logged in and taken into the homepage, if you have recently sold a product and you wish to mark this advertisement as sold, then tap on the account icon at the top right corner. You will then be taken into your account page where you will be shown all of your postings that you have made. Click on the active button to find active posts. Now, once you find the ad within which you wish to mark as sold, just tap on the edit button and you will be able to see various details about this ad. However, there is no option to mark this as sold. So the only option that you have is to delete this advertisement. Click on the delete button and now this advertisement will be deleted right away. You can click on the undelete this posting option if you change your mind and wish to have it undeleted. Apart from this option, there is no particular feature to mark any product as sold. And there you have it. That is all there is to know about marking your products as sold on Craigslist. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.